So this is historic stuff. We're getting super, super low tide. Super low. This is, what's the date today? The 17th. Oh God, Kevin. Who's that? Ow! Super low tide. This is super, super, super low tide. And I want to show you because this is the best look I've had down at the columns. I mean, way, way low. Look at this. You know how ugly this is? Pathetic. You can see how far. She couldn't come get me, but I want to get out here. I mean, incredible low tide. Really. It's a fruit wash stand, huh? What do we got? Look what we found. First one I've seen in many years. Nope, nope. We thought we had a freaking orange bill slug. Look what it is. Sticker still on it. Amazing. What I find. Incredible. Here we go. This is the lowest I can ever recall it here. Ever. This lower than it was on the blood moon. So I'm going to get back out to Point Loma tomorrow and get that work. Now stay with me. This is real. Look at this. What a look we're getting. You know how far out here I am? Come on. Oh, this is incredible how low she went. Much lower than I ever dreamed. Look how far out here I am. Oh my Lord. It's amazing. Good lighting. Get back. So, she's giving us an incredible look, right? Okay, let's try to get the good lighting, Kev. Let's zoom in. Okay. Historic footage, we're extremely low, really low, really, really low. Tomorrow I'm going to get some really great footage out of, because we're going to get real low tomorrow out of Point Loma. Gosh, she's helping me out. She always does. Some better lighting. That lighting got a little bad. Let's get on this angle. The lighting gets a little better at this angle, right? Yeah, there we go. There we go. Come on. Get back. Get back. Get back. Advance a little bit. Here we go. Stay with me. Uh-oh. Dance, huh? So, this is important. How far back are we? Oh, look how far up we are. I said, I know this. This is the crystal pier. I know it like the back of my hand. So, where are the starfish? The mussels are pathetic looking. This is sad. Look how ugly. Look how barren. Where there's no starfish. So this is real important. So this is an acute collapse. These things were covered. Hundreds of starfish at low tide in 2011. Hundreds, if not thousands. The barnacles, it's sad. It's really sad. Keep dancing with them. How do you think? That's from La Jolla, Big Gelson's Market, Star Wars. Okay, so super, super, super low tide. Now, stay with me. So the acute collapse of the salmon. Now I got the word this morning from ODFW. They're on my team now. It's too late. But they set their projections on the Chinook salmon for the year at 340,000. 2015 we had returns of 1.4 million. Projections in 2016-17 of over 2 million. Came in at respectively 2016 680,000, 2017 480,000, 2018 335,000. Just right on Kevin Blanch's number, they had projections. We're talking in 3 years. We're talking a 90% collapse, and no one's alarmed. The tide pools, my work has proved the tide pools are dead, and no one's alarmed. Are you kidding me? No one seems to give a shit. Look how far out we're getting. Oh boy, look at this, look at this. What do we got here? Just gotta keep it going, Kev. Let's keep this dance going. We're all the way out. I don't ever recall being out there on this far, ever. I'll show you. Let's walk out so you can see how far out I am and how low she's gone. Now you're like, well, what does this even mean? Oh, it means everything. The bottom of pillars on piers tells you everything. Everything. Where's the color? You know, because it's, I mean, you think we're way back? Let's get a shot at the pier so we can count off. We'll get a shot at the pier to show you how low we are right now. Oh my God, look how far out I am. I can't believe it, to be honest with you. I saw her just now and I'm like, so we're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. The jet only goes to 24 and then it jetties in. It's incredible. I can't believe how far she pulled back. That's pillar 24 on the column. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. We're getting all the way. We're going to look all the way out. Incredible footage. I can't believe how far she pulled back. Look how far out we are. So, lighting's nice. So, how is this not the biggest story on the face of the earth? How is this not what we got here? How is this not the biggest story in the history of the planet? The Great Pacific Genocide. And this is Fukushima. I've proved it's Fukushima. These things were covered with thousands of starfish. Thousands. Look how bad the mussels are, the barnacles. This is an incredible story. Because you never know how low she's going to go. You really don't. You know, and so a lot has to do with wind flow. A lot has to do, of course, the moon cycle, the ocean current. You know, low tide can only tell you so much. What does Lisa say? The world's run by those who show up. Oh, I always show up. I do. I'm a fool to do all the work. I really am. The marine biology. So my work has proved that the tide pools are completely dead. And there's no starfish. Zero. Zero. And you guys used to laugh when I say the ocean's 90% collapsed. The salmon, I just proved it. What a catastrophe. What a catastrophe. Oh. Where did all the fruit come from? Somebody lost their bag of fruit on their boat. Immigrants trying to get in. Who knows? By the way, I say Obama for prison, Trump, oh, get back. Obama and Trump for prison. Both of them. Abiz nominated him for the Nobel Prize. Both of them need to go to prison. Abiy is the nuclear, Abiy, tomato, he's the greatest criminal who ever walked the face of the earth. The greatest catastrophe in human history, the Fukushima disaster, is ongoing. It took me a year and a half to convince one person on earth there were even one meltdown. Nobody believed me. 8 years later, Lake Barrett comes out on 60 Minutes, 2,900 days later, and tells you exactly what Kevin Blanch told you in 1 hour. I mean, how is this not the biggest story on the face of the earth? How is this possibly not the biggest story on the face of the earth? What a look. Kevin Blanch, so Point Loma tomorrow out there, be super low like this, I'll get historic footage, which I already have. How much, the salmon collapse, when they come out and their projections, how's it still, Idaho saying that the steelhead are going to go extinct, yet they're still fishing. Where's Sierra Club? Where's Greenpeace? Where's any of these fuckheads? You got me? With no money, full of cancer? Fighting for my life? Sweet are the uses of adversity. Holy cow. Again, let's get out here so you can see how far out I am. It's this morning she was crashing into the walls. I'm up before the sun comes up every day. Thank you for anybody who's supported this historic footage. Look how far out I am. Let's pull back even further. Oh my God, am I back? Happy Valentine's Day, honey. What? Paper flowers, being my gypsy, being the gypsy. The underground velvet. Unbelievable, huh? So you can see how far back we are. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. There's only 25 till she jets in. We're all the way out to 25. Really back. So, historic footage, really historic footage. I'm blown away at how dead these columns are. It's pathetically sad.